Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome back to this channel. Today I have something to unbox. It is from this company called Xencelabs. So a lot of people might not be familiar with Xencelabs, but if you are in the creative industry where you're dabbling with tablets, the tablet like Wacom tablet, then you might have heard about Xencelabs. So they sent me this Xencelabs pen tablet medium bundle with quick keys remote. So what are those things? Let me unbox together with you and we shall explore together. So disclaimer, I'm not a professional creative person, so I will be unboxing based on my experience as a user, a basic user. So let's get on with it. So this is a very big package. Let me try not to destroy the... Okay, I have to destroy it. It's a big package. Okay, it's a pen tablet medium bundle. For your information, it's super heavy, this thing. Okay, so let us open it up together. Hello. So as I mentioned, we'll see a tablet. This is the tablet. So let's do it later. This is the casing for the tablet. Okay, so this should be the stylus. Yes, it is. There's two stylus. This is the final one. And let me see this. Okay, I like the big one because the weight is very well balanced, I feel. And you can see that it also provides a number of tips for the stylus. This should be the accessories. The remote shutter. What's this? The cables. So there's quite a number of cables needed, and yeah, all of them are USB-C, which is good. And the cloth. Okay, something to update just for your info. This is not a cloth, it is a glove. So as a professional, you have to wear this kind of glove to make sure that, let me show you, so that when you are drawing, the hand or the fingers is protected. There will be no stain on this tablet itself, so you can just draw with this glove. So let's take a look at the tablet. So if you are in the creative industry, you should be delighted that this is a very well made product, whereby you can use the stylus to draw on it. Very nice feel, matte and smooth. When you write on it, it's like you're writing on the paper. So let me try it out. As mentioned, I'm not a professional creative person, so I'll try as much as possible on the user experience.
A few moments later.
What I want to do is to have a go with it and also to let you understand how it works. But basically, I'm not in the creative field person, so I am not able to show you the full potential of this tablet. Instead, I would like to share with you how fun it is to have a tablet that you can work on and do some painting work, etc. So without further ado, let me power on this device. Over here you can see that there's a switch. There's a switch. And over here there is also a switch. So once it's powered on, you can see that it will light up. These few corners will light up. For the stylus itself, yeah, you don't need any power source. It will just work. Okay, what I'll do is let me power on my trustworthy sketch pal. This is a drawing program whereby I can just draw it over here. Let me change the color so that you can see what I'm drawing. So with this, you can see that I am drawing right now. Let me close it here. So we can see that okay, actually I don't need to use the mouse, but I'm still trying to figure out. Okay, let me do something. Writing, for example. It's very intuitive. For example. And you want to rub, just turn it over and you can just clean away like an eraser. Okay, just to share with you, there is an app that you need to install. There is this app. So once you install this app, you can see that once I turn on the devices, it will show it over here. So like my quick keys, it has 86% battery right now. Pen tablet, it has 59% battery, and the 3 button pens, and this is the thinner one. So in total 4 devices are now within the range, and I can configure it if I wanted to, but right now I'm not going to do anything. Let me open up the sketch pal, but I can show you a little bit on how it works. So with that in place, let me use the pen to write something or to draw something. So maybe I wanted to okay, this is just a demo. Clean it up, and let me choose the, so this is a very nice pen. You can see that. Okay, if you tilt, you can see that if you tilt it, you can actually shade it. Let me draw an eye. Okay, let me draw the outline first. Increase. So if you have Photoshop, it is the best to use with Photoshop because you have more control over the things, and you can actually use this to undo even faster. See? Undo, redo, undo, redo. So this is how you can use this tablet to draw, and then to use this key whereby you can control, you can adjust the shortcut, and you'll be able to be more efficient in your work using this and this. And that is it for my demonstration. I hope you like it. I'm so sorry that I did not really do a good job in demonstrating it, but that's all. Thank you. And yeah, this device, this set, this bundle is actually available right now. You can actually purchase it on the website, so I'll leave a link somewhere there whereby you can get the link to buy this bundle. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.